Is investing in the Max Life Smart Wealth Plan the smartest way to create wealth in the long term? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is a savings plus insurance plan from Max Life Insurance. So some of the key features of the policy are: you invest a certain amount every year in this plan. At the time of maturity of the policy, you will get a lump sum amount or periodic income for the investments that you made in the plan during its policy term. And if during the plan, like term of the policy, you die, unfortunately, your dependents like nominee or beneficiary will get life insurance like payment from the plan. So this payment is meant to ensure that they are compensated for the loss of income because of your unfortunate and untimely death. And this is a non-linked product, meaning that it does not invest in stocks or the stock market. So being a non-linked product, this policy gives you assured guaranteed returns. And there are also 4 plan options in this policy, and as an investor you can choose as per your needs. The 4 plan options are short-term income plan, lump sum plan, long-term income plan, and whole life income policy. If you want to know more about these aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let's move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to do a quick comparative analysis of this policy with other investment strategies. Among the 4 plans of the Max Life Smart Wealth Plan, we have chosen the lump sum plan for its easy comparison. So the IRR, internal rate of return of the lump sum plan, is 5.9%. So let's compare this IRR to the annual return of the Public Provident Fund PPF. That is, by comparing if you invested the same amount in PPF instead of the Max Life Smart Wealth lump sum policy. So the prevailing annual interest on PPF currently is 7.1%. So you will earn guaranteed returns at a 7.1% annual interest rate in PPF in comparison to just a 5.9% interest rate in Max Life policy. So the much interesting part is that you can take a portion of the money and buy a term insurance plan before investing in PPF. So both your insurance and investment aspects would be covered by investing in it both separately. So the advantages of the PPF plus term insurance combination is you get higher life cover even with affordable premium with term insurance plan, and you also still get higher returns from PPF on maturity compared to the Max Life Smart Wealth lump sum policy. So it is one of the best approaches to satisfy your life insurance policy and investment needs. So by keeping your insurance policy and investment separate, you have superior flexibility and control over your finances. PPF plus term insurance is ideal for conservative investors with low risk appetite, but you can have an even better investment strategy if you have a better risk tolerance, like a higher risk tolerance. But I should remind you, investment risk tolerance is not an inherited trait. It is a learnable trait, much like a skill. So your other better option is the ELSS mutual fund plus term life insurance policy combination. So if you had invested the same money you invested in Max Life policy in an equity mutual fund ELSS, the average CAGR would be 12%. So you can see that in the tabular column, the return is almost twice that of the Max Life Smart Wealth Plan. And in ELSS or in equities, it is often even more than 12% CAGR depending on the performance of that particular mutual fund scheme if you choose to invest in it for a long-term period. However, ELSS mutual funds are more volatile investment instruments and their returns are not guaranteed like PPF. So its returns are dependent on the returns of the broader stock market. Hence, it is a must to evaluate your investment risk tolerance level before choosing to invest in ELSS mutual funds. But you can always approach a professional like a certified financial advisor, because they can evaluate your investment risk tolerance for you and help you decide what is good and bad based on your financial needs. So does investing in the Max Life Smart Wealth Plan a pro or con? The definite answer it is con, because this policy review clearly clarifies that that this plan is neither smart nor wealth creating for its investors. The argument can be given that this policy also offers life insurance benefits, but you can get these exact life insurance benefits at much lower annual premiums by buying a term insurance plan. The savings that you make on the life insurance premium by buying a term insurance plan and not this plan can be invested in separately in a PPF account or in a ELSS mutual fund, and you can thus make higher returns on your savings than what you will make by investing in this policy. So what is the final verdict? Is investing in the Max Life Smart Wealth Plan worth it or not? So this policy is not superior to most plans in the market in terms of return rate and flexibility. As a result, according to our evaluation, it is a mediocre product with more disadvantages than advantages. It is not the right choice for life insurance or investments, and you have seen the calculation in solid numbers. So the returns this policy provides is lower than the returns offered by PPF and ELSS mutual funds. You can always get your insurance covered with a term insurance policy at a much lower premium, even for a high coverage. So never fall for any financial product that will not make your financial life better in any way. Always look for better options, do your own research, and make a sound financial decision.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.